Good morning, folks. Today is the 51st day of the Tour of Discovery. I have a wonderful morning, no wind, good road, very little in terms of clouds. Hopefully I won't get rained on later this afternoon. I am trying to push the best I can. Today I have an ambitious goal of making it all the way to Alexander, Kansas. If I do that, I will be covering over 110 miles. Let's see if the weather conditions hold, because, well, the desire mentally, spiritually, and physically are here with me. Yesterday I was frustrated because the day before I advanced very little, only 22 miles due to the wind. And here, this is why. I don't know if you can see it in the distance. We have these windmills, electric windmills, to generate electricity. It's good that I see them, but I was hoping to see this a long time ago. Considering that we have so much wind and so much sun, we really should venture more aggressively into these technologies. This is the first wind farm I've seen in all the journey. Now, in Europe, these windmills are all over the place. We need to become self-sufficient in regards to our energy needs, and hopefully that will take us out of military entanglements in other parts of the world. We won't be spending the type of budgets that we spend to defend those interests, and just putting the lives of our men and women at risk over conflicts that really do not pertain to us, but because we're there, well, it affects us. So this is the first wind farm I see. At least I'm seeing one, but we should be more aggressive in trying to invest in technologies that have renewable sources of energy. I mean, Utah and Nevada with their heat, there's so much that could be done in terms of solar. And for the naysayers that say, well, it's not an efficient form of power, the thing is, do the research, do the homework. It is an efficient source of power, and it's so true that, look, all these plants, all of life on the planet begins because there is sunlight. So that argument is not well thought out. It just means we need to do our homework, maybe develop the technologies more, but we need to do it more aggressively. And again, last year with my students, I was showing them an electric car, the Aptera, and the fascinating qualities of this car, where it was so well designed that a single windshield wiper of a regular car produced more drag than that car. So when we prop up companies that are inefficient with taxpayers' money, what we're really doing is we're taking the competitive edge out of the market. We need to be competitive, and to be competitive means you have to act and sustain yourself based on your own efforts, your own quality of product. And when a product is not being sold, the market is telling you something and it needs to change. So yes, that story that they're too big to fail is nonsense. You need to make sure that you're efficient. You need to have those checks and balances by the market. Otherwise, ultimately the consumer pays a double price. First through its tax that's being spent, and then because it ends up with a lower quality product. So competitiveness is what ends up giving you the best, and nature teaches that throughout. Okay, guys. It's filming beyond the 3-minute mark. I'm going to stop my speech here. Just wanted you to observe these wonderful electric windmills. Alright, guys. And as I say always, I'll catch you later.